Diamonds on Mobile Legends with Do You Know Google gift card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy diamonds on Mobile Legends with the Google Play gift cards. So first of all you need to redeem the gift card. In order to redeem the gift card you have to go to your Play Store, and your Play Store you do not have on your profile. After that, being on your profile, you have to tap on payment and subscription, then you have to what happened redeem code, and that's how you will be able to enter your redeem code, or you will be able to scan your code after scanning or adding the money to your bank account. Or after adding the money to your Google Play, you just simply have to go to your Mobile Legends. In the Mobile Legends you will easily be able to buy diamonds right there. Currently I don't know why it just wants me to play a match, but I don't know how to play the match, so I'm just gonna pass this. So you just have to go to the Mobile Legends and you will easily be able to buy that. So that's pretty much it. That's how it will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this will helpful.